Tata Mutual Fund is presenting 6 new sectoral index funds new fund offer covering different sectors. The sectors are automobile, infrastructure, realty, finance, manufacturing, and healthcare. All these are index funds following respective Nifty Index. As these are index funds, the expense ration will be low. This NFO is providing opportunity to the investors to invest on the sectoral index of choice. We are confident that this information will help investors about this new fund's objective and its future potential. Most of the information for this fund has been taken from the new fund offering document. Please watch this video to the end to understand the details of this unique NFO. In case you are interested in content like this, please subscribe to WealthAbhi. The first of this is Nifty 500 Multicap Infrastructure Index. The Nifty 500 Multicap Infrastructure 50-30-20 Index aims to track the performance of select large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks from the Nifty 500 index that represent the infrastructure theme. The weight of the stocks is based on each stock's free float market capitalization, with overall weight to the large cap segment fixed at 50%, mid cap segment fixed at 30%, and small cap segment fixed at 20%. This particular index is different than the common Nifty Infrastructure Index, which is based on 30 stocks, mostly from the large cap category. Nifty 500 Multicap Infrastructure Index consists of 75 stocks. 50% of those stocks are from the large cap category, 30% from the mid cap category, and 20% from the small cap category. It has a wide sector representation, as it is clear from the screen. The top companies are provided on the screen. As you can see, Reliance and L&T are the top constituents with 20% weightage. The constituents and its weightage are reviewed twice a year during the months of February and August every year. Nifty 500 Multicap Infrastructure Index saw a decent gain in the recent years. It is expected that the drive towards infrastructure will continue. However, the recent run-up has already factored in the growth. In the long run, this multi-cap infrastructure index is expected to provide the growth. The NFO is presently open for subscription till 22nd April. The minimum lump sum investment is 5,000 rupees with additional investment in multiples of 1,000 rupees. The minimum SIP investment is 1,000 rupees with minimum 6 installments. Both the index and the fund are considered as highest risk category as per Riskometer. Investors should consider this point before investment. Please note that this is not an advice for investment. The objective of this video is to share more information and knowledge to potential investors. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads.